you on the prestigious event when our college, Arya College of Engineering and IT, is organizing the 2-day FDP, that is Faculty Development Program, in association with Crane Software International and Texas Instruments.
I am glad to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, Engineer Narendra Babu Sir, Application Engineer, Crane Software International Limited. He received his BE in Electronics and Instrumentation and ME in
Thank you, sir. ACIT was established with the aim of imparting education with best quality standards in an
Babu, Application Engineer, Crane Software International Limited, in inaugural ceremony of 2-day Faculty Development Program on Analog System Design in collaboration with Cranes Software International Limited and Texas Instrument India University. This FDP is a platform to all the academicians and faculty members to participate and exhibit their talents in various areas of electronics and communication. I am glad to know that around 40 faculty participants have been registered from different colleges in this program. It is very interesting to know that this FDP would help participants to find creative ways to solve and design problems in multidisciplinary areas. I congratulate the college and faculty members of EC department for organizing this event in this college premises. I am also glad to know that Arya College of Engineering and IT has also signed an MOU with Cranes Software International Limited and Texas Instruments India University. In addition, EC department has organized India Analog Design Contest on 27th August 2013, in which around 220 student participants have registered themselves. So winners and runners of the India Analog Design Contest in association with Crane Software International Limited and Texas Instruments University India will receive their certificates in this ceremony, and we hope that they would represent Arya on a national level. I welcome again Engineer Narendra Babu and wish this FDP to be a useful and successful event for the faculty members. Thank you.
I request
Nice to be here. Well, this is on analog systems. I have some questions to my mind. First is, nature is analog, heart is analog. There were some questions on the net, whether love is analog. Love by the girls is certainly digital, let me tell you. They simply say yes or no. But what about the love by the boys? It's analog. I have a request to you. Since we have FDP, can we make 2 meters? My intention is to make 2 meters, low cost. If not on nano scale, we can make on micro scale. MIT Boston is doing it. Lot of information is there on the net. First meter I want for pollution. You can see the pollution so much around us. And particularly pollution by the auto drivers is a lot. If you can make a small pollution meter, which can fit like, say, sort of antenna on any device, on any vehicle, possibly we will be conscious of that and we can reduce the speed and all that, we can check our vehicles. This will help us. And this is already on the way. We can make it. But this is very expensive what MIT is making. Possibly India can make it at 1/10 of the cost. Information is there on the net. If you want to really develop something, develop it. And second one is quite difficult. I don't know whether you can do it. You see, that is for all of us, even for the young generation sitting over here. You see, most of the husbands lie to their wives. They say, I love you. In fact, they don't love. There is no coordination between what we speak and between what we feel here. Can you make a love meter? Amount of love it can meet so that nobody will lie. Thank you very much.
Say a few words about the event.
The main objective of this workshop is we are going to focus on how to design any analog system using basic building block. Okay, to create awareness about what is the importance of analog, because nowadays this analog system is away from our curriculum. Okay, what are things we are teaching in our curriculum is not analog. We are discussing everything in the form of digital. But our objective of this workshop is you have to know what is the importance of analog, to create awareness among the students, how we can learn analog and what are the basic career it is available in the analog systems and analog electronics. Okay, thank you.
Our first runner-up team is Priyanka Gandhi, Neha Pandey, Raj Nandini, Sneha Sharma, Soumya Priyadarshi.
Team ID T21, Govind Kumar and Group, 3rd Sem. Nitin Sharma, 3rd Sem. Team ID T26, Parul Tak and Group, 3rd Sem. ID T301, Akash Mishra and Group, 5th. I request Professor S.K. Singh sir. Team ID T26, Parul Tak and Group, 3rd Sem. ID T301, Akash Mishra and Group, 5th. I request Professor S.K. Singh sir to Team ID T311 will be 7 Sem for the vote of thanks.
Thank you. It's my sincere thanks to the RA College of Engineering and IT, which gave us such a wonderful platform to implement our knowledge in the field of electronics. Thank you.
Let's have a look at the contents of the presentation. Giving a brief introduction about the electronics and communication sector and the challenges this sector faces, I would try to include national policy on electronics. Finally, I will conclude the presentation by explaining our duties as a student of EC stream. Going by the definition, electronics is a field of science in which we study the movement of electrons. Practically, in today's world, electronics deal from almost anything to everything. Let's have a look at those who matter. These are a few extracts from the interviews of people like Kapil Sibal, Milind Devda and Dr. Kiri Kriplani. These people say that electronic system design and manufacturing is next sunrise sector for India. Stagger at $104 billion. It is a graphical representation of the domestic demand and production for the year of 2009 and 2020. We can easily see that there is a gap of whopping $296 billion between domestic demand and production in the year 2020. National policy of electronics is all about bridging this gap. Let's have a look at the vision of
There are a lot of problems for our engineering subject. So purely for electronics. Okay, that are not right. This workshop is purely the people who are interested in electronic system. Okay, not on any microprocessor. Basically, here we are against the digital. We are going to talk against the digital. Digital is important and for any electronic system. We are dealing with the digital. But our intention is we have to show the more because for take any digital system, the 95% of the system, okay, any other front end, back end, power management has been designed. There are some analog circuits. Take any power management model. Okay, what is the purpose of power management model? What is the purpose of power management model? Not required application for any system. For example, this system, what is the purpose of power management? The proper supply to individual nodes because it takes operating different power. For example, my data converters will operate in 5 voltage. Okay, my amplifier will operate more than 5 voltage. Okay, during that time, it is not possible to give the common power for all the individual. The power supply for the individual module. So what I can do, I can design a common power management module such that this module can provide sufficient power for all the modules in the system. Okay, this has been designed. There are some power electronics like DC-DC conductor, LDO, etc. Okay, it has been taught in most of our electronic system, but we are not teaching all these things for our students. Like this, we have the number of analog circuits to take your RF receiver also. Okay, what is the most important front-end device in most of the communication receiver?
First, it has to be